Ukraine shot down over 50 Russian aircraft and destroyed 150 tanks. Ukraine says it destroyed Russian military convoy outside of Kyiv. Ukraine says it has managed to destroy a column of Russian armored vehicles in the city of Bucha, just outside of Kyiv. On the approaches to Kyiv, in the town of Bucha, more than 100 units of enemy equipment were destroyed, a Ukrainian government account posts on Telegram, along with videos of burning or charred tanks and other armored vehicles. Regional officials earlier reported buildings and houses on fire in the town, which lies between the key airfield of Gostomel and Kyiv. Elsewhere, a local journalist reports what he says is a video of 2 Russian helicopters being shot down. The Lithuanian defense minister posts what he says is a tally of Russian losses on Twitter, including over 50 aircraft, nearly 150 tanks, and some 4,300 Russian casualties. Kaseltsia revealed that around 4,300 Russian soldiers had been killed in combat during the first 3 days of the invasion of Ukraine by Moscow. Separately, taking to Facebook, Ukrainian Deputy Defense Minister Hanna Maliar also informed that Russian troops lost about 146 tanks, 27 aircraft and 26 helicopters. On the other hand, the Russian army on Sunday admitted that there were killed and injured soldiers among its troops in Ukraine on the 4th day of Russia-Ukraine war. While speaking on state television, Moscow's army spokesman Igor Konashenkov stated that Russian servicemen are showing courage and heroism while fulfilling combat tasks in the special military operation.